Hi all, welcome back to Extreme Level. Today we have brought 10 interesting facts for you.
Fact number one: the entire world's population could fit inside Los Angeles. The world's total population is more than 7.5 billion, and obviously, that number sounds huge. However, it might feel a little more manageable once you learn that if every single one of those people stood shoulder to shoulder, they could all fit within the 500 square miles of Los Angeles, according to National Geography. Fact number 2: the hottest chili pepper in the world is so hot that it could kill you. The weapons grade Dragon's Breath chili pepper is so hot it's downright deadly. If you ate one, it could potentially cause a type of anaphylactic shock, burning the airways and closing them up. I have tried it on the tip of my tongue and it just burnt and burnt, said Mike Smith, the hobby grower who invented the dragon's breath along with scientists from Nottingham University. So, why make such an impractical paper? As it turns out, the chili was initially developed to be used in medical treatment as an anesthetic that can numb the skin. Be careful with it, friends. Fact number 3: Indonesia is home to some of the shortest people in the world. Though there are short people and tall people everywhere, Indonesia is a home to some of shortest people in the world, according to the data compiled from various global sources by Telegraph in 2017. When taking both genders into account, the average adult is around 5 feet 1.8 inches. People in Bolivia don't tend to be much taller with an average adult height of 5 feet 2.4 inches. The tallest people among us live in Netherlands, where the average adult height is 6 feet. Fact number 4: the Paris Agreement on climate change was signed by the largest number of countries ever in one day. When 174 world leaders signed the Paris Agreement on Earth Day in 2016 at United Nations headquarters in New York, it was the largest number of countries ever to come together to sign anything on a single day, according to the UN. The agreement aimed to combat climate change and accelerate and intensify the actions and investments needed to strengthen global climate effort. Fact number 5: the world's quietest room is located at Microsoft's headquarters in Washington state. Silence is golden, as they say, and while it may be not worth quite as much as jewels and gold to most people, it certainly was the premier goal for those who built the quietest room in the world. Located at Microsoft's headquarters in Redmond, Washington, the lab room measures a background noise of minus 20.35 dBA, which is 20 decibels below the threshold of human hearing and breaks previous records for spaces that were deemed the planet's quietest places, according to CNN. As soon as one enters the room, one immediately feels a strange and unique sensation which is hard to describe. Hundraj Gopal, a speech and a hearing scientist and principal designer of the anechoic chamber at Microsoft, told CNN, most people find the absence of sound deafening, feel a sense of fullness in the ears, or some ringing. Very faint sounds become clearly audible because the ambient noise is exceptionally low. When you turn your head, you can hear that motion. You can hear yourself breathing and it sounds somewhat loud. Fact number 6: there are only 3 countries in the world that don't use the metric system. For simplicity's sake, most of the more than 200 countries in the world use the metric system when describing things like length or mass. However, there are 3 countries that stand out: Liberia, Myanmar, and the United States. And soon, That number might be down to 2. In 2018, Liberia Commerce and Industry Minister Wilson Tarpe said that the government plans to adopt the metric system in order to promote accountability and transparency in trade, according to the Liberian Observer. Fact number 7. 4 babies are born every second. Every second, we welcome 4 new babies into our overall population. Do a little math and you will find out that means there are approximately 250 births each minute, 15,000 each hour, and 360,000 each day. In a full year, there are around 131.4 million babies born on Earth, according to the Ecology Global Network. Fact number 8. The coldest temperature ever recorded was minus 144 degrees Fahrenheit. You might think you are accustomed to frigid air and blustery winds, but the average winter day has nothing on the coldest day ever recorded, which was minus 144 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature was recorded in Antarctica during a span of research between 2004 and 2016. Just a few breaths of air at that temperature would induce hemorrhaging in your lungs and kill you. Fact number 9. The Earth's ozone layer will make a full recovery in 50 years. Because of population, the Earth's ozone layer has suffered a lot. That's bad news for everyone, since the fragile gas layer protects our planet and shields us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. Fortunately, climate change experts believe that the ozone layer will fully heal within 50 years, according to a 2018 report from the United Nations. The recovery in thanks in large part to the Montreal Protocol of 1987, which put a global ban on the use of one of the main culprits for the damage, chlorofluorocarbons (CFOs). Previously, CFOs had been common in refrigerators, aerosol cans, and dry cleaning chemicals. Fact number 10. Only two countries use purple in their national flags. Looking for some more interesting facts? Well, here's one. The flag of Nicaragua features a rainbow in the center that includes a band of purple, while the flag of Dominica boasts a picture of Cicero parrot, a bird with purple feathers. These elements make them the only two flags in the world that use the color purple.
If you are visiting this channel for first time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon for our new notifications.